Hello guys and welcome to Manoeuvre Education. So this video is very important for all the TISS aspirants because we are already halfway through the Jan month and soon in February we will be having our examination. Many of us are still to start with our preparation, and then we also have working professionals who just couldn't manage their time. Don't worry guys, we have a one-stop solution for this. Yes guys, we have come up with a crash course batch just for y'all so that no one misses out on such a great opportunity of getting into TISS. So guys, this batch provides you with video lecture, live classes recording. In case you miss out any of the live classes, you get the recordings for it, so you can watch it out later on anytime. You also get topic wise test, full length mock test, ebooks and top notch strategy and planning sessions so that you can crack your examination in the very attempt. So guys, what are you all waiting for? Get enroll yourself as soon as possible. Call on the given numbers 8828581455 and book your seat right now, because guys, it's TISS or nothing, so you really don't want to miss out on this opportunity. And now allow me to take you to the official website of Manoeuvre Education and guide you how you can join the crash course batch through website as well. So just head over to the official website of Manoeuvre Education, click on buy online, scroll down, click on TISS entrance, scroll down further. So here you get a tab called live class, click on show package, scroll down, you can see the third one, Tissnet 2023 crash course batch live class. To get yourself enrolled in the batch, you simply have to click on add to cart and you will be part of the crash course batch. So as I said earlier, you will be provided with the video lectures, live classes, ebooks, handouts, topic wise test, full length test and strategies as well, so that you can make yourself pretty sure that you end up with any of your desired campus, whether you are targeting for the Mumbai campus, Guwahati campus, Tuljapur campus or the Hyderabad campus, for any of your desired course. So guys, what are you all waiting for? Just head to our number 8828581455. If you're Pan India student, you can join our live classes as well as the online session. And if you're Mumbai based, you want to prepare for the next year, you can always visit our centers Borivali, Vasai and Dadar, and do follow us on social media such as Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Take care, prepare well, join the crash course batch because it's now or never. All the very best.